So I hear you guys want to hear more about Kermit and you want to see more about Kermit. Well, here he is. Now, he's doing one of our inspections on this 64 Impala, and like I tell you all the time, they take apart the brakes on every car. What are you doing, Kermit?
Well, we found that the wheel cylinders were a little goopy on either side, and it was just rather quick just to change them out real quick, so we're doing that. I did some hard lines there, going to replace the soft line, and the axle seal is actually leaking on the other side as well. We're just going to do all of it before we set it down on the ground and get it all done in one big whack.
Yeah, and then Kermit's been showing Nate how to do inspections. Come on over here, Nate. So everybody says young guys aren't into old cars. Well, there's a couple young guys right here that are into old cars, man. I tell you what, Kermit's probably forgot more about doing inspections than I ever knew, and I'm the one that taught him how to do it in the beginning. So he's really raised the bar on our inspections. So what are you working on over there, Nate?
I'm working on this nice teal 66 GTO, doing the inspection on that car as well.
That thing is absolutely gorgeous. Where are you at on it? You just pulled it in?
Yep, I'm just starting on the top side stuff, so I was checking right now, making sure all the windows and doors work right, and then we'll put it up in the air, check out what's going on underneath.
And you'll take it for a test drive, and cool. So that's what Kermit and Nate are doing, guys.